Hey guys, good morning. As you can see, napakalakas ng ulan at hangin guys. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron tayo this time guys, no? But lakas talaga ng ulan. Anyway, this time, habang umuulan guys, nasa terrace kami ni Mr. Nag-talking kami ni Mr. kung anong gagawin namin today. At ayan, relax na relax ang person guys kasi kakatapos ko lang kumain, no? And lumabas ako at para makausap si Mr. Ganon. And luckily guys, wala nang ulan. So ayan.
So guys, we are going to Lee Plaza today. Today.
I think the Ulan is coming, love.
Ang good. Uy, don't do that, love. It's not good. We are on camera. So,
I make the cover, yeah?
are you ready, love?
Mm-hmm.
We go to Lee Plaza.
Oh,
Because,
you can go now.
So, this time guys, init na.
Very in it.
Uminit na guys, no? So, we are happy because we can use the car. Look at the banana.
Mana.
The banana is almost
Look at the new
finished.
banana.
Yeah.
Mm.
A new banana.
Mm-hmm.
See you guys later.
Milo. The street ko.
My wife say hello to me, and then she tell in this second, you have to look the street.
You have to look the street. So, guys, on the way na sa Lee Plaza, we are going to buy a new pan for cooking. I need a new one because the old one is very ugly already. So, I need a new one guys para maganahan ko magluto ng mga pagkain, no? So, ayan guys, kakarating lang namin sa Lee Plaza and at this point, wala masyadong tao guys kasi nga early in the morning, no? At nakarating kami dito at 10 o'clock in the morning na. Hinahanap namin guys kung saan nakadisplay yung mga pan guys. Wala kaming nakita and then gusto naming magtanong pero wala kaming matanungan. So, what we did guys was sariling sikap lang kami. Pumunta kami sa itaas at finally, nakita na din namin. We found it! So, natagbo, yun may pangita. Lab! Diba? So, here it is.
Yes. See?
Yeah. They have many things here.
Sa dami ng pagpipilian guys, nalito kami ni Mr. kung ano ang kukunin namin guys. Lahat naman ay maganda yung quality guys, pero si Mr. talaga iba yung taste niya. Hinahanap talaga niya yung mas maganda ang quality guys, as in, di bali na kung mahal, basta good quality lang guys, at once lang siya bibili ng things guys. Ayan si Mr. So nakakita kami ng isa guys, thanks God, and of course, dahil tanghali na, kumakain muna kami doon sa ibabaw ng ano guys, sa Lee Plaza ba. First time namin dito as in. So pagkatapos niyan guys, umuwi agad kami kasi wala naman kaming ibang pupuntahan pa, no? So ina-unbox na namin ni Mr. yung mga napamili namin. Alam nyo ba, pan lang talaga ang bibilhin namin doon sa Lee Plaza guys. Kaso nga lang, nabudol ang mga person guys. Kaya bumili kami ng casserole guys, no? Maganda ang quality niya, napaka-thick niya guys, as in nagustuhan ko siya. Kaso nga lang, walang black color, no, ang rubber. So red na lang ang pinili namin. At dahil love ko yung sarili ko guys, and of course si Mr. Love din ako as his wife. So nagpabodo lang person guys, bumili kami ng 2 pairs of sandals. At para meron akong palit-palitan, baka na pitong ilisan imong chinilas, no? Dili magpermi imong chinilas ba pares everyday. So, more good to guys. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our video. Thank you. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye!